Hello, welcome back to my channel. So it's night time and we're gonna be doing my curly hair, nighttime and morning routine. Woo! My eyes obviously look really tired. I'm like, okay, first I've been trying out this fortifying damage repair with castor oil overnight restoring serum from Pantene. Been testing this out. So I like to put this in my hair about like an hour, half hour before I'm gonna go to bed, because I want it to dry. Otherwise it messes up my curls if it's wet. So I'm just scrunching this into the ends of my hair. I do about 1.5 pumps because my hair is pretty short. So I'm just gonna scrunch this in my hair, do other stuff to get ready for bed, take my dogs out, and then I do the rest of my hair, nightly hair routine. So I'll see you in a 30 to hour. Okay, now that my hair is, that product's dry, I'm gonna put in a little bit of oil. And the roots, nicely touching on the top. Now I'm gonna be taking a satin scrunchie. Because my hair is short, I can't wear it all up in a pineapple because it's too short. So I just take the hairs that I can reach, or that will reach, up, in the pony, loose pony, and then I'm gonna take my satin bonnet. I need a new one because there's a hole and I don't like the thickness of this band, because I find what works best for me is not putting my bangs in, because it messes them up and I like them not messed up. Obviously this works for me, my hair. It might not work for your hair. Everybody's hair is different. So I'm gonna put all my hair in this besides my bangs. Like this. She's beauty, she's Grace. Look like a little grandma. And then I sleep with a satin pillowcase too, just in case. Sometimes I just do the pineapple, but seeing my hair is too short to get all the hair up in the pineapple, this is what works best to keep my curls nice. Now I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you in the morning and show you how I get my curls back to normal. And why I'm putting the pineapple underneath is because my hair moves too much when I just do the bonnet with the shortness, and then it gets flattened in the back, and yeah. So this just seems to work best for me. So I'm gonna go to sleep. And if you have problems with like keeping your bonnet on, I recommend getting a bobby pin and like actually like making a hole in your bonnet and going the opposite direction of the band. It will make it stay crisscross. I have a bobby pin I could show ya. I found my bobbies. So take your bobby pin. Shove it in there like that. And then crisscross in the front. Like this. And then do it on both sides. This is probably why there's a hole in my hat. Crisscross apple sauce. Now let's go to sleep. Because I'm tired. I don't know about you, but I'm tired. Good night. Good morning. It's the next day. This is how my hair looks from sleeping in the bonnet. Most moved up in the back. I'm a big toss and turner, so it stays good. So let's take this off. Now I'm gonna take my mister bottle and spray like the edges. Lightly spray, like barely. Take my hair down and shake. I'm gonna give this a minute to settle and I'll be right back. Okay, it's settled. So now I'm gonna take my oil again. Lightly, and if I see any curls that I don't like, I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and get my fingers wet, take that curl and finger coil it with the wet fingers. And yeah, that's what I do. This is the front. So that is my personal night and morning routine. Obviously it's not gonna work for everyone because everyone's hair's different, but it might work. So you gotta like mess around, see what works best for your hair. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.